Welcome, fellow explorers. Today, we step into the vibrant world of Higaonon people, the guardian of the mountains of Mindanao. Through this magical learning portal, we'll discover the heart of their language, greetings, expressions, and body parts.
We are your guides, not just tourists, but culture keepers in training. In this 15-minute journey, we'll travel through different zones of learning. Get your explorer hats on! Let's begin our mission to preserve and celebrate Higaonon language and identity.
Zone 1, greetings from the mountain elders.
Masagay hanayo nayo daw buhang. Common greetings and expressions.
In Higaonon, we say madagway adaw. Madagway adaw. In Filipino, magandang araw. In English, good day. Madagway daluman. Madagway daluman. In Filipino, we say magandang gabi. In English, good evening. Madagway maudto. Madagway maudto. In Filipino, we say magandang tanghali. In English, we say good afternoon. Madagway masulong. Madagway masulong. In Filipino, we say magandang umaga. In English, we say good morning. O. O. In Filipino, we say sige. In English, we say all right. Pangituk-a. In Filipino, we say salamat po. In English, we say thank you.
Ay, ani lang. In Filipino, okay lang yon. In English, it's alright. By ani man. In Filipino, walang anuman. In English, you're welcome. Baad pasay lua. Baad pasay lua. In Filipino, ipagpaumanhin mo. In English, I'm sorry. Makagoagit. Makagoagit. In Filipino, maaari po bang lumabas? In English, may I go out? Ho-o. Ho-o. In Filipino, oo. In English, yes or you may. Tabintaglangwang a. Tabintalagwang a. In Filipino, pakikiraan po. In English, you may pass. Makasambay agid. Makasambay agid. In Filipino, maaari bang makahiram ng? In English, you may borrow. Pasaylua. Pasaylua. Or in Filipino, patawad po. In English, please forgive me. Huuman. Huuman. In Filipino, opo. In English, yes. Zone 2, the talking tree of body parts.
Ilalakaw kulawang, parts of the body.
In Higaonon, we say ulo. Ulo. In Filipino, ulo. In English, head. Buhok. Buhok. In Filipino, ani. In English, scalp. Tulan taulo. Tulan taulo. In Filipino, buhok. In English, hair. Tindal taulo. Tindal taulo. In Filipino, bungo. In English, skull. Tangad. Tangay. In Filipino, noo. In English, forehead. Kilay. Kilay. In Filipino, kilay. In English, eyebrow. Mata. Mata. In Filipino, mata. In English, eyes. Buhok sa mata. Buhok sa mata. In Filipino, talukap na mata. In English, eyelid. Pilok, pilok. In Filipino, pilik mata. In English, eyelashes. Idong, idong. In Filipino, ilong. In English, nose. Pusa, taiko. Pusa, taiko. In Filipino, butas, ilong. In English, nose. Pipi, pipe. In Filipino, pisngi. In English, cheek. Bakulong, bakulong. In Filipino, bibig. In English, mouth. Dimulmug, dimulmug. In Filipino, labi. In English, lips. Dila, dila. In Filipino, dila. In English, tongue. Ngipon, ngipon. In Filipino, ngipin. In English, teeth. Lagos, lagos. In Filipino, gilagid. In English, gum. Baba, baba. In Filipino, baba. In English, chin. Liog, liog. In Filipino, lieg. In English, neck. Tungol, tungol. In Filipino, batok. In English, knee. Albawa, albawa. In Filipino, balikat. In English, shoulder. Babaklawan, babaklawan. In Filipino, braso. In English, arm. Siko, siko. In Filipino, siko. In English, elbow.
Kamumu, kamumu. In Tagalog, galang-galangan. In English, wrist. Alima, alima. In Tagalog, kamay. In English, hand. Kumu, kumu. In Tagalog, kamao. In English, fist. Palad, palad. In Tagalog, palad. In English, paw. Tuldo, tuldo. In Tagalog, daliri. In English, finger. Inay, inay. Inay, inay. In Tagalog, hinlalaki. In English, thumb. Tudo, tudo. In Tagalog, hintuturo. In English, winter. Ilalabaw, ilalabaw. In Tagalog, hinlalataw. In English, middle finger. Liunta ilalabaw. Liunta ilalabaw. In Tagalog, palasing-singan. In English, ring finger. Ayaking-king. Ayaking-king. In Tagalog, hinliliit. In English, pinky fingers. Kagpa. Kagpa. In Tagalog, dibdib. In English, chest. Hawak. Hawak. In Tagalog, bewang. In English, waist. Gutok. Gutok. In Tagalog, tiyan. In English, stomach. Pusod. Pusod. In Tagalog, pusod. In English, navel. Pipiyakan. Pipiyakan. In Tagalog, puson. In English, abdomen. Kaliko. Kaliko. In Tagalog, puwet. In English, butt. Pingkil. 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 In Tagalog, balakang. In English, hip. Hita. Hita. In Filipino, hita. In English, thigh. Buol. Buol. In Filipino, tuhod. In English, knee. Lison. Lison. In Filipino, binti. In English, leg. Takdang. Takdang. In Filipino, sakong. In English, heel. Bubon. Bubon. In Filipino, paa. In English, foot. Lunglungaan. Lunglungaan. In Tagalog, bukong-bukong. In English, ankle. Iggiok. Iggiok. In Filipino, talampakan. In English, sol. Tudo, tay. Tudo, tay. In Filipino, daliri sa paa. In English, two. We We are now guardians of Higa-Unon language.
Use these greetings and words with pride. Respect their indigenous cultures by learning their language.
We hope this journey inspired you to be a language hero.
Subscribe, like, and share to spread awareness of our IP cultures.